Good morning. This is Dr. Ken Long. I'm a associate professor of strategy, tactics, logistics, change management, and most recently, artificial intelligence for leaders at the U.S. Army Command and General Staff College at Fort Leavenworth, Kansas. In addition, I've got about 40 years experience in practical application of quantitative methods, statistics, and artificial intelligence in trading successfully in financial markets. My clients are institutional traders, hedge funds, pension fund managers, and individual traders. We offer a sophisticated set of quantitative and qualitative methods that give you a fighting chance to survive and thrive in today's chaotic markets. What's it like to work with me? Here's a snapshot of what it's like to work with me. I have four basic lines of effort. I am a youth soccer coach, which is my passion. I'm a professional trader. I'm a military professor, having retired after 25 years of service, including combat experience. And I teach in several graduate programs in the areas of educational leadership and Doctor of Education and MBA programs for a couple different universities. I specialize in improving professional performance. We use a sophisticated multi-mode model that takes people through the discovery, development, and performance phases and help us overcome challenges and achieve robust, resilient performance. I've used that in every endeavor in my military and trading career. I take an environmental approach, an ecosystem approach to situations, problems, and opportunities. We work on identifying actors, forces, the structures in place, and the context of behavior. We use a systematic approach to diagnose and evaluate opportunities as well as problems. And we rely strongly on professional competence and workable process models to help us navigate our way through challenges. As a certified true storytelling consultant, we develop safe spaces in which people learn to trust each other, learn to tell the truth, and seize opportunities that come from that kind of collaboration. We see leadership as the moderating factor between the forces that promote good, such as having a purpose, taking effective action, and leveraging the artifacts that you can create. And that helps us overcome the challenges, such as inertia, culture, and status quo, that prevent us from being our best self. We recognize that there are multiple ways of knowing with our head, our heart, our gut, our hands, and our feet. And only by incorporating all of those diverse perspectives are we able to fully leverage the knowledge, skills, and attributes that we possess. I take an organic view of human behavior. For me, the image of the water cycle from nature in the mountains through rivers and streams that support civilization turns out to be a very organic and holistic way to approach living systems, and that's what we bring to every change management opportunity. We have a pretty sophisticated ecosystem of learning that we have blended the best of military decision making and financial management, and we use that to develop professional skill. As a teacher, I abide by the principles of the gradual release of responsibility model, in which the teacher looks to incorporate student activated learning as soon as possible so they become self-actualized and responsible for their own results. And we have a way to shepherd that learning as we go. Looking forward to opportunities to work with you. And if I can be of service to you, please reach out and let me know how I might help. Thanks very much.